teaching you guys how to make a mini hat. So it takes 5 minutes to make this cute little winter hat and embellish it with a seashell. So stay tuned and here we go. The first thing you're going to need is this. All right, so you can use your leftover wrapping paper rolls, toilet paper rolls, anything like that. Then you're going to grab like a small little book and you are going to get some yarn. I picked this up from Michael's and it was like, I don't know, like $4 or something like that. Okay, so first things first, you are going to cut like that. And so you want a ring about that size. And then you're going to take your yarn and you are going to wrap it around your book. So you want to hold one like right there, and you're going to need quite a bit. Okay, and then you're going to take your scissors, just cut off that loose end, and now you have a book and it's wrapped in this yarn. So then I'm just going to face it this way because it's actually leaning a little bit, and you're going to cut down the middle. Okay, so we don't need the book anymore, and here's all your yarn, and it's exactly the same size. All right, so then what we're going to do is you're going to take one piece of yarn and you're just going to do that. You're going to take your tube and one second, and you are just going to, whoa, where'd you go? Got it. All right, so then you're just going to insert the yarn through it and then slide it. And then there you have one knot. And then you're going to continue to do the knots all the way around your circle. All right, so now that you have all your knots, you just go around, make sure that they're all on the bottom here. I like to make sure the strings are straight. All right, and then you're gonna push it inwards. Then you take one string and you are going to tie it in a knot. Let's see if I can do this in the air. I don't know if there we go. All right, guys, and then you just simply tie a string around the very top and you trim the top with scissors like that, and then you use your hot glue gun. You pick out a shell and you can embellish it smack in the middle, and you don't have to stop at one by any means. You can definitely do a couple if you want. But I'm going to go the simple route today and just use a star limpet. But there you are. How cute is that? Alright guys, so here it is, our mini little hat. Look how cute! So easy to make. You can do it in 5 minutes. Kids can do it, anybody can do it. It's a fun Christmas project to do. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You know the drill. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I am live all the time. I have live sales 4 days a week and I post constantly. So if you want to keep up with what's going on with Florida shelling and all my shelling adventures, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I will see you on here.